Welcome to my YouTube University I channel. This is Doc Jin. We will discuss more on food. Food that nourish our body, food help us to become productive, food that will help us become successful, food help us perform our tasks, food that will boost our immune system. But there are some food that may damage our body and our vision. We will discuss it now. What are the worst food? But we have to enjoy our life. We have to eat. Eat, we have to enjoy. But everything should be in moderation. Worst food that may affect our vision. Number 1, condiments. To enhance its flavor, because of its artificial additives loaded with salt and sugar, salt can increase blood pressure. Too much salt can increase blood pressure. Too much salt can lead to diabetes. Diabetes may lead to blindness. Too much sugar can cause blindness. Too much sugar can cause cataract also. Too much sugar can cause diabetic retinopathy. It is a blinding disease. Everything should be in moderation. Too much sugar can narrow the blood vessel in the eyes. The fluid cannot be drained properly. Outcome will be glaucoma. Example of condiments: ketchup and mayo. Everything that is too much, bad for our health. It should be in moderation. Once a week will be enough to enjoy our life, to enjoy the taste. Processed food. Processed food, they are rich in saturated fats and high content of salt. Salt can increase blood pressure and temporary increase in eye pressure. Increase in risk of cataract and damage in internal part of the eye called retina. Processed food, example, the canned goods, tocino, longanisa, tapa, they are processed food. But we have to enjoy life. We have to eat. But it should be in moderation. Once a week will be enough to enjoy our life. It is so delicious, but we have to eat it in moderation to enjoy our life. Because of its salt content, it might increase blood pressure. It might lead to stroke. Not only that, temporary increase in eye pressure that may lead to blindness, called glaucoma. By eating processed food, it should be in moderation. Once a week will be enough to enjoy our life. Everything that is too much, bad for our health. Fries. Because of oil, the trans fat may build and clog the arteries. High blood will be the outcome. Example, French fries. French fries is so delicious, but we should eat it in moderation. Fries that has oil, not only that, embedded with salt also for the taste. High blood will be the outcome. Hypertension may lead to hypertensive retinopathy, so which means another cause of blindness. We can eat French fries in moderation because we deserve to be happy. We need to enjoy life. But we can eat it once a week. That will be enough to enjoy our life. Food is our happiness also. Sweetened drinks, known as artificial sugar, they increase the risk of high blood pressure and damage the blood vessel that supply blood to the retina, cause them to swell and vision loss may rise. Sample of sweetened drinks, the canned sweetened drinks. So because it has sugar, it will serve as preservatives. Artificial sugar can cause diabetes for the long term. Diabetes can cause blindness. So we should enjoy our life, but we should drink it in moderation. Everything that is too much, bad for our health. Sweetened drinks like soft drinks, it will give us happiness to drink soft drinks, but it should be in moderation. Everything that's too much, bad for our health. But we have to enjoy life. Drink once in a while. Once a week will be enough to enjoy our life. Because we deserve to be happy. Margarine. It contains trans fat, not good for the eyes, and can cause damage to the blood vessel of the eyes. Not only that, the margarine, it can damage our heart because of its fat content. It will be embedded in our heart. So what will happen? High blood might outcome. We can eat margarine once in a while, once a week. That will be enough to enhance the taste of our food, to give flavor to our food. Once a week will be enough. Everything that is too much, bad for our health. Ready to eat food. Meals. Food that loaded with salt and sugar. Too much sugar can lead to high blood pressure. Salt used as preservative in ready to eat food. Salt can increase the lifespan of the ready to eat food. But just in case you are in emergency rush, ready to eat food will be your option. But not every day. It will be alright once a week. But not every day. Everything that's too much, bad for our health. Once a week will be enough. Once in a blue moon will be enough. Not every day. Everything that's too much, bad for our health. References: Christina Brines, 25 Food That Damage and Protect Your Vision, 247walls.com, rxoptical.com, iHealth, www.healthline.com. To God be the glory. God bless. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for listening. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube University Eye channel so that you have latest update. This is Doc June greeting you. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, good day. To God be the glory. God bless. Thank you.